When I think of the word enabling, I think of somebody being set up for success.
The opportunity to be part of the solutions that drive a better tomorrow.
Getting together to make things happen.
We all enable each other.
If I can do it, you can do it.
Whenever they ask me what I do, I say I'm enabling engineering breakthroughs that lead to a better tomorrow.
Parker's purpose is all about finding ways to improve the world around us.
We're taking math and science, combining it with some imagination to come up with a product that solves a customer's problem.
We use continuous improvement and everything at our disposal to do the best job for our customers. The safety of our parts is the most important thing. It's every time, always safe and reliable.
My greatest achievement in life is knowing that when a plane goes by, I can look up and think, we've done that. And I take a lot of pride in that.
Engineering breakthroughs come about when you have a dynamic team working together, bringing a diverse range of opinions, backgrounds, ideas to the table.
Kaizens are a very good avenue to make step gains in a process in order to get to that top-level performance.
It enables us to run more efficiently, and it enables us to deliver to our customers a lot more efficiently and keep them even happier than they already are.
Parker allows me to have that voice to say, hey, what can we do better? I take a lot of pride in that.
As the technology moves forward, Parker's products need to move with it.
If you're not challenging yourself to improve, most likely you're going backward.
We're always striving to do better, lowering emissions, cutting costs, making everything safer.
We understand our purpose in the business is to grow the business, and they reward us for that. It kind of makes you feel personally accountable for the company's growth.
The best thing about working for Parker is the people.
It's almost like an extension of your own family.
It gives you a sense of fulfillment that you've done a good job.
The best thing I like in Parker is gender equality.
Parker culture is a speak-up culture where everyone is allowed to speak.
They really empower us to make our department better, which in turn makes the whole company better.
They're receptive to the younger generations, and I think more than anything, the younger generation really wants to learn from them.
An idea is an idea, no matter how big, no matter how small, and one single seed of a thought could turn into something which could make a big change.
I enjoy coming into a work environment surrounded by dynamic people who have that same passion for solving problems.
I can be curious, and I'm free to be curious.
That creates that atmosphere of competition, but it's a good competition.
The culture never differentiates the people. They're giving opportunity to everyone to grow simultaneously.
My interpretation of a better tomorrow is a world that we live in that's continually improving. That what we did yesterday was good at the time and maybe the best effort we had, but that we're looking to take that next step.
A world where everything that we do is safer, more efficient.
People living longer, healthier, and therefore happier lives.
Equality, it means inclusion, it means look after the planet.
Parker
is enabling
engineering
breakthroughs
that lead to a better
tomorrow.